Are you seeing the error something went wrong when trying to log into Netflix on your Google TV? This usually happens because of corrupted app data, network problems, or outdated software. In this guide, I'll show you the best fixes for this error. So let's get started. Solution 1. Clear Netflix cache and data. Go to your Google TV home menu. Now use the remote to navigate to the settings icon. Open it. Go to apps. Now look for Netflix and find it from here. Once inside, look for the clear cache option. Select it and then confirm your choice. Check if that fixes the problem. If not, you can select clear data and confirm your choice. But remember, this will completely reset your Netflix, so you'll be logged out. You will need to log back in with your password again. Solution 2. Go to your home menu of Google TV and find the Google Play Store. It's usually in the app section. Open it, now search for Netflix. From the search results, select Netflix and reinstall the entire application from here. A clean reinstall often solves stubborn app crashes or loading failures. After the reinstallation, you should restart your TV and log back into Netflix. Solution 3. Check internet speed and restart router. Sometimes the problem is just with the internet connection. If you have a phone or PC, use that to open a browser and go to fast.com. Check if your internet speed is fine or not. If you see that the internet speed is fine and you're only facing issues with your TV, then you can simply restart it. Completely unplug your TV and plug it back in. Then restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds. Restarting the router can seem basic, but it helps in many cases. After restarting everything, see if your issue is fixed or not. Hopefully your issue is gone by now. If this guide helps you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Google TV fixes and tricks. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.